In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello between devices. If you use Trello to manage your tasks, projects, or teams, you know how important it is to have your boards up to date across all your devices. Whether you're working on your computer, checking your tasks on your phone, or switching between both, syncing issues can sometimes get in the way. But don't worry, today, I'll walk you through everything you need to do to ensure your Trello account stays perfectly synced between your desktop and mobile devices. Let's get started. First, open Trello on your computer using a web browser. Log into your account if you aren't already, and take a moment to check your profile. Look at the email address associated with your account. It's important to confirm which email you're currently signed in with on desktop because we'll need to compare it with the one on your phone. Next, grab your mobile device and open the Trello app. Navigate to the settings menu within the app. Here, you'll see the email address linked to the mobile app. Compare it with the email you just checked on your desktop browser. If the email addresses do not match, you'll need to sign out of Trello on one or both devices and sign back in, making sure to use the same account on both. This step is critical to ensure syncing works seamlessly. Once you've confirmed that both devices are using the same Trello account, make sure both your desktop and mobile device have an active and stable internet connection. If you've been using Trello offline, don't worry, your changes should sync automatically once you reconnect to the internet. Just give it a moment to update. Now let's talk about the tools you're using. Always make sure you're using the official Trello app on your mobile device, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. On your computer, stick to supported browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. If you're using the Trello desktop app, that works too. Another important step is to keep your apps and browsers up to date. On your mobile device, check the App Store or Google Play for any available updates to the Trello app. On your desktop, ensure your browser or Trello desktop app is updated to the latest version. These updates often include fixes for syncing issues, so it's always a good idea to stay current. If syncing issues continue, it might not be a problem on your end. You can check Trello's status page for any ongoing outages or technical issues. A quick search online will lead you to Trello's official status page where you can see if the service is experiencing disruptions. Still having trouble? Try refreshing Trello on your devices. On your desktop browser, you can press the F5 key or click the reload button to refresh the page. On mobile, close the Trello app entirely and then reopen it. This can help reload your boards and pull in any changes. For persistent issues on your desktop, clearing your browser's cache and cookies might help. This removes any old or corrupted data that could be interfering with Trello. After clearing the cache, sign back into Trello and reload your boards. If the problem persists on your mobile device, a more drastic step might be necessary. Uninstall the Trello app from your phone and then reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play. Once reinstalled, log back into your account, and your boards should sync correctly if everything else is set up properly. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to sync Trello between your devices without any trouble. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.